What if some of the most useful life hacks were hiding in plain sight inside your kitchen right now? Not complicated tricks from the internet, but real home hacks that actually work again and again. Most people walk past these items every day without realizing how powerful they are. And once you start using them differently, everyday problems suddenly become much easier to fix. Imagine solving annoying home issues in minutes instead of searching for tools or buying expensive products. Today, we're talking about simple hacks that people who love efficiency swear by. A few of these might honestly change how you handle daily life at home. Let's be real for a moment. Small home problems show up all the time. Maybe it's a weird smell in the kitchen, a stubborn stain, a sticky jar lid, or something that just won't clean properly no matter how hard you try. Most people think they need special products or gadgets to fix these issues, but the truth is, many solutions already exist in your kitchen. Everyday items like baking soda, lemons, vinegar, salt, honey, and even olive oil can solve problems faster than you might expect. The reason these hacks matter is simple. They save time, money, and effort. Instead of overthinking a problem, you can fix it with something you already have on your counter or in your pantry. Today, I'm going to show you real home hacks that people keep using for years because they actually work. These are not random internet tricks. These are practical, tested ideas that make daily life easier and smoother. And the best part is that once you learn them, you'll start noticing even more clever ways to use everyday items. It's like unlocking a smarter way to run your home. Hack number 1, the odor killer most homes already have. Let's start with a problem almost everyone deals with at some point: bad smells. It could be the fridge, trash can, sink, or even your shoes after a long day. One of the easiest fixes is baking soda. This simple ingredient works like a natural odor absorber. Instead of covering smells, it actually helps neutralize them. For example, placing a small open bowl of baking soda in your refrigerator can keep it fresh. Many people forget about this trick, but it's one of the oldest and most effective home hacks. You can also sprinkle baking soda into trash cans before putting in a new bag. This small step can make a big difference, especially during warmer months when smells get stronger. Another useful trick is using baking soda inside shoes overnight. If shoes smell after workouts or long days, a small sprinkle can help reduce odor by morning. What makes this hack powerful is consistency. Once you start using it regularly, your home naturally stays fresher without extra effort. Hack number 2, the sticky problem solver in your kitchen. Have you ever tried opening a jar that just refuses to move? Almost everyone has struggled with that moment when a lid won't budge. One simple trick is using a rubber grip, but here's a kitchen hack many people overlook: warm water. Running a jar lid under warm water for a short time can loosen it enough to twist open easily. Another helpful idea involves tapping the edge of the lid gently on the counter. This can release the pressure seal inside the jar. Suddenly, something that felt impossible becomes easy. A little olive oil can also help when dealing with sticky hinges or stuck surfaces. Just a small drop can reduce friction and help things move smoothly again. These small tricks may sound simple, but once you know them, you'll never struggle with stuck jars the same way again. Hack number 3, the lemon trick that makes your kitchen feel new again. Now let's talk about lemons. Most people think of lemons only for cooking or drinks, but they are actually one of the best natural cleaning helpers. One great use is refreshing your cutting board. Cutting boards can collect smells from onions, garlic, and other foods over time. Rubbing half a lemon across the surface can help remove those odors. Adding a little salt while rubbing the lemon can improve the cleaning effect. The salt works like a gentle scrub, while the lemon adds freshness. Another simple lemon hack is using it to clean your microwave smell. Heating a bowl of water with lemon slices inside can help break down food odors. After doing this, the microwave not only smells better, but also becomes easier to wipe clean. It's one of those hacks that makes cleaning feel less like a chore. People love this trick because it's quick and natural. Plus, your kitchen ends up smelling fresh instead of strong cleaning chemicals. Hack number 4, the pan cleaning trick that saves time. Let's talk about cooking messes because everyone deals with them. Greasy pans or stubborn food residue can take forever to clean sometimes. This is where salt becomes a secret weapon. Salt works as a natural scrub that helps lift grease and stuck food. Instead of scrubbing endlessly, sprinkle salt onto the pan and use a sponge or paper towel to rub it across the surface. The texture helps break down the mess faster. This hack is especially helpful for cast iron cookware. Many people prefer not to use soap on cast iron, and salt gives a simple cleaning alternative. Over time, using tricks like this can save a lot of effort in the kitchen. Small improvements in cleaning routines add up more than people realize. Hack number 5, the quick fix for cloudy glass and dull surfaces. Have you ever washed a glass and noticed it still looks cloudy or dull? It can be frustrating because it feels like the cleaning didn't work. This is where vinegar comes in. Vinegar helps break down mineral buildup and residue that normal dish soap sometimes misses. Rinsing glasses with a little vinegar and water can make them look clearer again. Many people are surprised the first time they try this. Vinegar is also useful for cleaning faucets that have water spots. A quick wipe with vinegar can help restore shine. This hack is popular because it's simple and effective. Once you see the results, it becomes part of your normal cleaning routine. Hack number 6, the small trick that makes cooking easier. Here's a small trick that many home cooks love. If you want softer brown sugar that is hardened in the container, there's a simple solution. Placing a slice of bread inside the container overnight can help soften it again. The moisture from the bread helps restore the texture. It sounds unusual, but this trick has been used in kitchens for years, and it works surprisingly well. Cooking becomes easier when ingredients behave the way you expect. Little hacks like this remove small frustrations that slow people down. Over time, knowing these tricks makes you feel more confident in the kitchen. It's like having insider knowledge that others might not know. Hack number 7, the quick comfort hack for everyday wellness. Now let's shift slightly into wellness. Some kitchen items can also support simple health habits at home. Honey is one of those ingredients people have used for a long time. When someone has a scratchy throat, warm tea with honey often feels soothing. It's not complicated or fancy, it's just a comforting routine that many people rely on during colder seasons. Another small wellness habit is starting the morning with warm lemon water. Many people like this because it feels refreshing and helps them hydrate early in the day. Small routines like these don't require big changes, but they can improve how people feel day to day. Hack number 8, the smell reset trick for your entire kitchen. Sometimes kitchens pick up mixed smells from cooking different meals. Over time, the air can feel heavy or stale. One easy trick is simmering lemon slices, cinnamon sticks, or even orange peels in water on the stove. This releases a fresh scent into the air. Many people prefer this method because it feels natural and calming. It's also something you can do while cooking or cleaning. This hack works especially well before guests arrive or after cooking strong foods. It instantly changes the atmosphere of the room. A fresh-smelling kitchen often makes the entire home feel cleaner and more comfortable. The one hack that changes everything. Now here's the big insight that many people don't realize. The real secret to great home hacks isn't just knowing 1 or 2 tricks, it's learning to see everyday items differently. Once you understand that common kitchen ingredients can solve multiple problems, you start thinking more creatively. Baking soda isn't just for baking. Lemons aren't just for drinks. Vinegar isn't just for salads. These simple items become tools. And when you combine them in smart ways, like baking soda and vinegar for cleaning buildup, you unlock even more possibilities. This mindset shift is what makes these hacks powerful. Instead of buying more products, you start using what you already have. That's the moment when home life becomes easier, faster, and surprisingly more efficient. So today we covered real home hacks that people keep using year after year. From removing odors with baking soda to cleaning with lemons and vinegar, these simple tricks can make everyday life easier. We talked about solving small kitchen problems, speeding up cleaning, and even creating simple wellness habits using ingredients you probably already own. The big takeaway is this: your kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's one of the most useful problem-solving spaces in your entire home. Once you start using these hacks regularly, you'll notice how much smoother daily life becomes. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health, home, and lifestyle ideas that actually work.
Also, comment below and tell me which hack you're gonna try first. And here's a question for you. What's one small health habit you've started recently that made your daily routine better?